Hey guys, it's Miss Thanks. I hope you had a great weekend. I miss you all. Thought this would be a good time to show you what that I would like you to do for this week. You're going to go to your courses. Yours is going to look a little bit differently than mine. You're going to click on Grade 5 Language Arts. And then each day is broken down by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So this week we only have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday because of the Easter holiday. So you're going to click on Monday. You're going to go to April 6th. And your task for this week is right here. It's a natural disaster research project. Your assignment is to watch the video that's posted below. And then you have to think about if you want to do an earthquake, tornado, wildfire, hurricane, tsunami, or a blizzard. So your video is right here, natural disaster video. Click on it and it takes you to YouTube. And you're going to watch a short video on that and think about which one you want to do. And then you also are going to do weekly fluency. Everybody's is going to look a little bit different. I'm just going to click on one. You're going to click on the document that pops up. So each week you're going to grab a timer and then read for 1 minute, just like we do in class. So on Monday, you need to count how many words you read. And then by Friday, the words that you read should be higher than the words that you were able to read by Monday, once you do this every day. At least 1 day a week, I would like you to video yourself reading the passage. A great way to do that is to use Screencast-O-Matic, and I am going to post a tutorial on how to use that because that is what I'm using now. So then you need to read the passage and answer the comprehension questions that go with it. Everybody's story is going to look a little bit different, and the questions will be different at the bottom. Your goal is to be able to answer the questions by the end of the week. And then you are going to submit that right underneath of it. It will actually create a copy of it and I will be able to see it. So you can submit that on there. And then Tuesday you're going to go in and you're going to click on April 7th. You have the weekly fluency again. The directions to your project are right here. Click on the slideshow that I created. These were the options that I had listed yesterday: earthquake, wildfire, tornado, hurricane, tsunami, and blizzard. And then directions, you're going to choose one of the natural disasters to research. And then you're going to research using a graphic organizer, which I'll show you that in a minute. Collect all your information. You can use the internet, readings, discussions to help you collect your research. Choose one, and then you're going to turn it in before it's due, which is Wednesday. So back to April 7th, it says project materials. You're going to click on that. And then each natural disaster has a different thing that goes with it. So you're going to click on the one that you want to research. So say I wanted to do hurricanes because I'm from the South. So I'm very familiar with hurricanes. I'm going to click on hurricanes and then I'm going to click on the slideshow. It's going to pop up and tell me where I can find my information on them. And then you're going to answer these questions in the slides. And to find the information in the slides, you're going to go to Epic. So you just copy the link and go to Epic. This does have a read to me on it, but you do not have to use it. And it should give you all of the information you need to answer the questions in the slide in both of there's usually one or two options for you to search to find your information. So all of the information should be in there for you because I've already checked. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out. The assignment is due on Wednesday, so you should be able to submit it on the Wednesday folder on April 8th. And as well as your fluency. Hope to see you guys soon.